We're going to two places actually. We're going to I can't remember the name of the farm.
La Chèvre d'Oeuvre.
La Chèvre d'Oeuvre.
It's a goat farm.
It's a goat farm to go and look at some goats, just to look at goats. And then after that, we're going to a vineyard. To go and do some taste tests, wine samples, and look around at the property and the vineyard itself. So it should be interesting and fun.
It should. And what am I wearing? Just simple casual. Jeans. No heels or anything. It's all good. We are at La Chèvre d'Oeuvre here in Saint-André-Avelin. Checking out some goats here. Beautiful place. And we're with Sven and Amélie, the owners. Can we show you? Over there? Hi.
Hi guys.
Bonjour.
And this is awesome. It's actually our anniversary, and this was the surprise that Scott had said. We're going to go up to Saint-André-Avelin and check out some goats, and then we're going to the vineyard. And they have an awesome selection of goats. Take a look at this boar here. Look at this baby boar. And there's a couple of Nubians in there, Nubian cross with cashmere. Where did they go? One's right here. This would be a Nubian cashmere cross, then.
That's correct, yeah.
And there is another one. Two girls that are for sale. The other one, I believe, is right over there. Kind of looks like a little home scene.
Yeah, that's Speedy. Speedy
Come
is
on,
good.
Speedy. Come and show your face. Look at these guys. We were just giving them some, what are they called again?
Apple chugs.
Apple chugs. I wanted to call them a crack apple. Goat crack.
AKA goat crack.
Beautiful, beautiful goats. There she is. Speedy?
Yeah, that's Speedy.
There's Speedy.
Speedy's low.
Kind of had my eyes set on this one. And there's that beautiful boar. Oh, a little bit of pecking order back there.
Hey, ready, stop that.
It must hurt when you think of it, eh?
No,
Oh, I know, but it's just so loud. Yeah, for humans. There you are. All right, let's take a look at you. Here. Come on. And this is a nice Nubian right here. Spider.
she's the mother of the quads, which is why she's a bit skinny.
All right, let me show you this beautiful, beautiful, huge buck. He is a cross between a cashmere and boar or Nubian. I forget. I'm gonna have to ask Sven. Look at that, guys. Check out the monster. Boy, oh boy, would I love to introduce him to Miss Speckles. Wouldn't that make an awesome, awesome mix? Beautiful babies. Come on, Jaws. Come here. Check out this bad boy. Now this is the guy I would introduce to Miss Chloe. I want to show your markings. Forget what your name is. Marble, that's his name. Look at that. Gigantor. Marbled money.
18 is finished. That's pretty good.
And we have Dante and who?
Poppy.
Poppy?
Puppy. Poppy.
Poppy. And they're Maramas. And we have some more goats here. They've got like 70 goats, guys.
You expanded it?
Really nice quality goats. And we have here Emily's little workshop. where she does her spinning of the fiber from the cashmere.
Yeah.
It's awesome. So you want to show us a bit of fiber, Emily?
I can show you some cashmere. So one goat will probably give you about twice this amount of cashmere every year, so 100 grams is pretty much what you get.
Oh, guys,
And then
if you
it's
can
sent
only
to a
feel
mill
this.
and it gets de-haired. So
Right.
it's only the precious undercoat duvet that you get back.
Oh, now I want a cashmere goat. First,
You
I
do?
need to learn how to spin.
It's easy to learn and it's really good to relax in this stressful world sometimes.
Yes, that's right. Here's a little spinner.
So it's just a modern spinning wheels. Like today, spinning wheels are, you can basically transport them, work with them. This one's from New Zealand. It's a Maja Craft. And
Awesome.
I can make really big, thick yarn with it,
Oh, look at that.
like this. So it's merino wool
So soft.
or super fine thread.
Wow, that is
So that's
fine.
cashmere that I'm spinning on there.
Well, that is awesome. Awesomeness right here.
So I'll teach you spinning.
Yeah, I want to learn spinning. That'll be another video, guys.
Cool.
Thanks, Emily. So this, guys, is La Chèvre d'Oeuvre here in Saint-André-Avelin. If you are ever in the area, stop by. These people have some really good looking goats and a really nice place. Well, I want to say
Keep
bye
on
and
north.
thank you so much,
Bye.
Emily.
And
Thanks, Fan.
you're more than welcome.
It was a beautiful visit,
We
beautiful
just
day.
got to the winery, which is the vineyard de Météor.
Yeah.
And
In the Dupont.
we just arrived, so we're basically going to show you the little winery. There's some of the grapevines there, and there's a whole bunch up on the hill behind this building that you can't see from where we're standing, but
Cute little place. Let's go inside.
C'est comme un arbre fruitier de bonsaï.
There is the vineyard.
unfortunately it just started to rain.
So we're gonna have to go
So we're
inside.
gonna have to go inside, but as much as we wanted to take a tour along the hillside of the vineyard, we know where it is now, so we'll probably come back some other day when it's nice and sunny. But
There's no surprise that it's raining.
no, it's been raining non-stop all summer.
Okay, now we're going inside.
La salle de maturation. Ça ici est une petite partie du vin qu'on produit à chaque année. On produit à peu près l'équivalent de 5 fois tout ça rempli. Donc, quand tout ça est rempli, il y a à peu près 2500 bouteilles. On peut en faire à peu près 10 000.
So thank you very much. This was very, very informative, and we will be recommending this place. This was awesome, and we tasted some wonderful wine, and we're probably going to come back. We're going home with some wine, and we'll tell you more about everything we've learned here today.
Well, thanks a lot for your visit, and we'll, Charles, qu'est-ce qu'on va dire, Charles?
We'll see you soon.
Look
C'est
forward
quoi
to
votre
seeing you.
nom au complet?
Mon nom est André Sellard.
Salah. So this is André Salah, owner. Thank you very much, André.